Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 7th April 2025. 6th April 2025 UK 49 lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 16, number 23 and number 44. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 lunchtime prediction number. First number 3, number 14, number 26, number 31, number 46, booster number 19. UK 49's tea time prediction first number 5, number 13, number 27, number 33, number 43, booster number 30. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.